Hello, my lovely first graders. Welcome back to your online science class. Today we're going to get right into it. The last video we talked about the different types of animals and some of their structures. So we're going to continue with the functions of these animal structures or animal parts. Okay? So we're going to quickly just start with a probe question. So it says, which student has the best idea about the function of animal parts? Let's see what it says. Roosevelt says, I think the tiger uses his legs for running. So they're looking at this tiger over here and they're trying to examine what could this tiger be doing with its parts. And Roosevelt thinks that the legs are for running. Steve says, I think the tiger has sharp teeth. Does a tiger have sharp teeth? I'm pretty sure you guys know that, if that's true or not. I know that I had a few people who just love tigers and have told me quite a bit about it. And then Tony tells us, I think the tiger has soft fur. Soft fur. So what type of animal could a tiger be? I'm pretty sure you guys already figured that out. And you're going to tell me, which student has the best idea about the function of animal parts? Now, function, it means what is it used for? So all of them are telling us a little bit about a part of the tiger, but which one of them is actually telling us about how it is being used? So choose one of the three, whether it's Roosevelt's thinking, Steve's thinking, or Tony's thinking, and then explain to me why you chose it, okay? And remember, if you don't have this printed out, you can just edit it, or you can write it in your notebook, okay? And we're going to continue. Look at this beautiful picture that we are starting our lesson with, functions of animal structures. It's beautiful, right, guys? And before you get this far, I hope that you answer the first question, because if you answer it after you watch the whole video, it kind of misses the purpose. So if you haven't stopped the video yet to answer the first question, stop it right now, okay? Just put a pause and then come back to me. So look at this beautiful picture of a hummingbird. And we're going to continue down here to see our question. And it says, why are the hummingbird's wings blurry? Let's go back up and look at the picture. Do you see that? You can't see it clearly defined. It's actually blurry, but why is it blurry? Some of you might already have an idea if you've ever seen a hummingbird before. But if you haven't seen a hummingbird before, then this might be a tricky question. So we're going to go watch this video together. We're going to watch it together so we can figure out why the wings look blurry. So I'm going to put play.
To fly in this extraordinary way, hummingbirds have changed the structure of their wings and the way they beat them. Here in Ecuador, scientist Doug Altshuler is working to analyze exactly how they do so.
Hummingbirds are remarkable animals. They have extreme adaptations in physiology and anatomy, and they also have a very unique behavior. They can hover. And the approach that we've taken is to study how those physiological and anatomical adaptations determine their hovering ability.
Using high-speed cameras, he records the mechanics of their flight in minute detail. He can slow down the action by around 40 times and so observe exactly what's taking place. Most birds flap their wings up and down, but hummingbirds flap theirs more like insects. They twist their wings around between strokes and so can generate lift when flapping both forwards and backwards. Doing this at high speed puts a huge strain on their wings. So, to withstand it, the wings have a special structure.
The hummingbird wing is very stiff and undergoes few changes in shape as it rapidly beats back and forth.
They owe this stiffness to a modification of the bones. The arm bones have shrunk, but the bones of the hand have elongated and support most of the wing surface. Twisting this wing at the shoulder and at the wrist produces the hummingbird's distinctive wing beat.
Okay, that was a super awesome video, right guys? And I feel could really help us out figuring out why are the hummingbird's wings blurry, right? Well, it goes really, really fast, right? And I think it's amazing because if you see other birds, you know, we've seen them flap their wings, but a hummingbird, it looks like it's going at high speeds. And it's only possible because of how its wing is structured. So it tells us, what does this animal structure do? How does it help it? What is it actually doing after what you observed? What did you observe? So make sure to try to answer that right here. And if you don't have it printed out, once again, please put it in your notebook or a blank piece of paper, whatever you have available. The important thing is that I want to see your answers, okay guys? So thank you so much for joining me once more. And before we go, just look at this little tidbit. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backwards. So imagine that, just looking at the bird flying backward. So thank you guys for joining me. I miss you a bunch, and I'll see you next time.